when you see cockroach, geckos, lizards and rats in your farm, you think they are not harmful. You think they only come to eat the feed. No, they are very dangerous. They spread diseases such as Salmonella and E. coli. They contaminate the feed and the water of your poultry and livestock animals. There is transmission of parasites and pathogens. They cause damage to the stored feed and materials in your farm. They increase stress level in birds due to infestations. They disrupt the poultry environment with their visits. They are potential carriers of viral infections and reduce poultry productivity due to health issues. They increase the risk of secondary infections in poultry birds and also make it difficult in maintaining biosecurity and hygiene in your poultry and livestock farms. There are many damages these pests can cause to your poultry birds. That is why it is very good you eradicate them. In this particular video, you are looking for a way to expel them completely from your environment. But if you want to kill them completely, ask me on the comment section. I will tell you what you use to add and what you do to kill them completely from your environment.
Hello. Yes, a combination of onions peels and lemon peel when burnt on hot charcoal can help repel pests. Pests like wall gecko, cockroach and rats can run from your farm and your home. The smokes produce natural chemicals that these pests find irritating or unpleasant. Here are how it works. Please join me. This is lemon peas. This is onions peas. These two combination will do a lot for you in your farm. Join me. Let's go there. Onions pea has sulfur. It emits a pungent smell that irritates the respiratory system of pests like rats, wall gecko, cockroaches, even flies like mosquito. The wall gecko itself runs very far and cockroach find their way out of your home or your farm. It has quercetin. Quercetin acts as a natural irritant to insects and rodents. It has volatile oil. It creates an unpleasant environment for pets. The lemon peel itself has chemicals that these pets don't even like at all. It has limonene. Limonene is a powerful insect repellent that deters cockroaches and rats and rest of them, even mosquitoes. Its citrusy smell irritates geckos. Geckos doesn't comprehend at all. Highest, they fly and jump out of your house. It has citric acid. If you know what citric acid means, this citric acid has antimicrobial properties that can disrupt pets' habitats and make it unconducive for them to habit or for them to accommodate. It has flavonoids. Flavonoid enhances the repellent effect with its strong aroma. So you can see why this combination. The lemon leaf, it is dried. You can see it is dried. And onions peel is very effective. How do you apply it? First, gather some quantity of charcoal and place it in a charcoal pot. Light it and allow it to burn and start shining red. By then, there is no smoke because remember, it depends on where you are going to place it. You don't place it in a way it's going to suffocate your chickens if you are using it in your farm. But if you are using it inside your room, inside your house, or inside your environment, in closed environment, the smoke, once you place this on that charcoal, it starts emitting smokes and start burning. The smoke from the burning charcoal and the onions and lemon peels releases these chemicals into the air, creating an environment that pests avoid immediately. They will pick up. Irritation. The pungent and citrusy smell disrupt the sensory system of geckos, cockroaches, and rats, forcing them to flee. Residue effect. The remaining ashes can also be spread in areas prone to infestation, adding a residual deterrent. So you can sprinkle around your farm, around your pen, all around. Gather dried ones like this, or you can buy like this one. Because of this content, I went and bought this and licked it. I took it. After taking it, I have to use it for this content. So you can still gather it from the dealers, dry it, and make use of it. Place it on the hot charcoal and let it burn slowly so that the smoke will not be too much. Allow the smoke to spread in areas prone to pests and diseases. But you need to take precautions, please. Use a well ventilated area to avoid discomfort for humans and pets. Like if you have cats, you have dogs, you have another pet within your, or even your chickens, you have to put it in an environment where the air will blow. What they these pests, animal, this cockroach and the rest of them, they know their enemies, so they don't. It doesn't need to come in contact with them. But you want them to die completely. I have a solution for that also. If you ask me in the comment section, I will tell you what and what you're going to place in area we are going to place it. But they need to get contact with it and they will die off. You will not see them again. So use a ventilated area so that it will not affect them. This natural approach is eco-friendly and effective for keeping pets away from your home and your farm. Thank you for watching this video. Please, I beg you, share this video. And those fans that are good in commenting, those fans that are good in sharing our videos, those fans that also subscribe to fan page, may God continue to bless you. Please.
You can now see this is a charcoal pot. You can see this charcoal pot is very hot right now. What you need to do is just mix the lemon peel and onions peel together and pour inside the fire. Watch it now. The smoke will start going. You can see it.
Do the best you can to encourage this family. This is a global family. My aim is to impact knowledge on all poultry farmers so that everyone will be well equipped with the knowledge to run the business profitably. Till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. Share this video, and if you are not subscribed, please, this is the right time for you to subscribe and activate the bell notification so that once the update on this particular topic comes, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified. Till I come. For now, I say bye.